This is where clogs are made. The clog on the right is a pattern for the new clog, which will be cut from the block of wood on the left. Watch as the shape of the wood changes. There's a very sharp cutting saw at the wood all the time. Well, the outside of the clog is almost finished, but the inside too has to be hollowed out so that you can get your foot in it. How do you think this is done? Here's the machine that hollows out the clogs. Once again, the clog on the right is the pattern to which the new clog will be shaped. The clog maker can move the clogs so that the cutters can get right up to the toe. The clog is almost finished. All that's needed now is to trim the toe. This is done by hand later. The shop has shelves and shelves full of clogs of all sizes. Some of them are painted and some have decorations. Here's one with a picture of a windmill.